What's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. And today, man, we're going to take a look at a product that I think you might not know you needed it until you actually needed it. For anyone who records audio or um, has issue with always holding their phone up to record themselves on a voice recorder, just to make sure that they get the audio captured that they need for mental notes, reminders, and whatever else you want to use voice recorders for. For me, I use it for a host of different things. But yeah, but what this product is called is the iFLYTEK voice recorder, right? It's a portable, super portable device that can record high quality audio and then transcribe it into text. Now, one of the most common issues with voice recordings, with that is it's difficult to understand what's being said sometimes, especially if you're doing an interview of some sort and you actually need that clear, crystal clear audio, but you can't really grab it due to the background noise. This could be a major problem for students who are recording lectures or for business professionals who are, in meetings or, like I said, interviews. But with the iFLYTEK voice recorder, it actually has a transcriber on it also. So it not only does crystal clear audio, but what it does is it takes a transcription of what is being said, crystal clear, plain text, and it has an AI function to make sure that you get the context of what's being said correct. Now, with this voice recorder, it's a great solution to that problem, right? It has a built-in microphone that could pick up the even faintest of sounds, and it also has a noise reduction feature to help eliminate those background noises, right? So with this voice recorder, it has a number of features that actually make it a good choice for anyone who needs to record audio. These features are included in this sleek design and excellent build quality on this device. Now, with that being said, this means you can easily create a transcript of any recording, which would be helpful for a variety of purposes. Now, this thing does have long battery life, again, because it's offline, it's not connecting to anything, and this thing could go forever. So you won't have to worry about your recordings ending after an hour or it running out of power. So with this device, you'll be super solid and have a lot of confidence in knowing that what you are dictating is actually going to be recorded and you can actually read it. Now, I just spoke about the build quality of this thing. It's super solid, but let's talk about the portability of it, right? It's super small, it's lightweight. Like, it kind of reminds me of those Microsoft Zooms back in the day, if you remember those. This is exactly what this device looks like. Now, I don't have little hands, so to speak, or I don't have giant hands either, so to speak. So there you go. It fits right in the palm of my hands. No muss, no fuss. It could be discreet if you want it to be. I mean, albeit that's kind of creepy, but it could be discreet when you need it to be. If you're in a meeting and you want to just put this on the table, the omnidirectional microphones, you're ensured to capture that crystal clear quality that this thing would provide. Now, when we talk about ease of use, that's another thing. So with your phones, you have to bumble and fumble around just to get to the voice recording apps, right? And it's kind of awkward when you're in a meeting and you got your phone on the table, and Lord forbid you don't have do not disturb on. You get the buzzing and the notifications going off. It could be quite jarring in a meeting, and if your company is like mine was, if your phone goes off during a meeting or training, you buy donuts for everybody the next day. So to save yourself from having to buy donuts, this discreet thing, offline, microphone, touch screen, and it's actually going to dictate what you need, man, this is the way to go. It's kind of a no-brainer, actually. Now let's wrap this thing up, man, and put it all in a little bow here. This is a very powerful voice recorder that could be used in a multitude of ways to help boost your productivity during the day, boost your learning, and capture important information. I really like this thing. I didn't know I needed this until I actually had it and realized how good of a function it is. Now, will it usurp the use of me just having my cell phone in my hand? Probably. Is it another device to carry around? Yes, it is. But with its portability and the extra added functionality of being offline and me not having to connect to something, let's say using data on my phone, I think it's a go. So for me, for those use cases when I'm doing class or when I'm just doing stuff out and about and I need to take a note and I have it in my backpack on the sleeve on that pocket there, that's a no-brainer for me. So thanks for watching, man. Again, this has been the iFLYTEK Smart Voice Recorder. Yes, it's a smart voice recorder, and it has up to 4 different languages on here. So let's see what languages we have on here. Settings, transcription settings. Let's see what we got here. We have English, we have Chinese, including a multitude of dialects. We got Cantonese, Japanese, Korean, and Russian. Those are the languages that we have on here. Now, would I have liked to see some Spanish on here? Quite possibly, because I live in Florida, and if you ain't speaking English, you speaking Spanish here in Florida. So I would have liked to have Spanish on here, because my wife speaks Spanish and she be fussing at me sometimes, and I just be like, all right. So yeah, but that's about it, man. This thing is actually pretty neat. The touchscreen is actually very responsive, and the transcription functionality works as described. It's actually pretty good to be an offline device. And right now, let's see, I think it has 32 gigs of onboard storage. And for free memory right now, I only have a few recordings on here. I have 175 hours and 44 minutes of recording time on this device. I think it's a win. I'm your boy Money Matt with another tech slap of something that you might not know you need until you actually have it in hand. It'll be links down below where you can purchase, and more information in the links down below in the comment section. I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.